Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys. This time it's out here in my mom's backyard, and I also have my brother who's behind the camera, but he'll actually be in front of my camera. I'll be shooting some portraits of him, and I'll have a little setup of a studio, I guess, in-home session. I'll show you guys my idea and I guess the creative process behind it. As you guys know, we can't really go outside right now just because of the whole virus issue, so I'll be putting this together and hopefully you guys get some inspiration to go and find some stuff around the house and have your little own photo shoot. Alright guys, like I told you guys, we're gonna use home stuff, things you can find at home, so like these bed sheets as a backdrop, and then clips. I think any type of clip or tape your backdrop to a wall, or even just use a wall. Any plain wall would work, I think. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with our first look, I guess. Like I said, it's just bed sheets. It's really uneven. That's the look I'm going for. And then also there's just a random chair, any wooden chair, and then I draped over another bed sheet, so it could look like it's just fabric. And then I'll be using my reflector. I'm just gonna prompt it with a chair, so it acts like a stand, and so it could reflect some light back into my model's face. Alright. You look weird. Yeah. I look fucking beat up. Like I haven't slept in years. Yeah. What if you like slouch on the... Alright, let's take out the chair, and I'm probably gonna have to push this back. Can you help me? Okay. Are we standing up or what? Yeah. Are we getting that? No, not stand up, but we're gonna put this. It's my keys. What? It's my keys. Others help me extend it, bros? There. Cover the floor. So you're gonna sit down. What? But if instead of doing that, you do something like this with one hand. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna grab wipe up towards the, yeah. I like what you did when you're looking down. Bring your look to the camera. You could put your chin up a little bit. Yeah, this one was more bent. Can you even go forward? No, bring your body forward towards the edge, and then back, and then bring that one así. Like, what was that one? Alright guys, so we are going to be incorporating a little bit of random things that you can find at home. Like I said, most of these things I think you would see laying around at any house. So like a trash bag, we're going to use this. We're going to use, it's like a laundry bag. And then some of this fabric. And we're going to put it in front of my lens, and it's going to create hopefully a cool filter. We'll see. Alright guys, so this is the whole idea. The fabric is in front of my model, he's behind it, and then hopefully the lens will do a good job of blurring everything in the back, all the trash. We'll see. I'll show you guys the results. Okay, stay right there. I'm gonna get the bag. Now bag. Buckle. Escaped. Mother. Don't cuss on my YouTube channel. Oh. I'll put that on my head. No. Huh? The Rona? It's not gonna be like. Dude, what? Just fucked up the lady. Dude, I can't even see shit. Stay right there. You're only gonna see like my shadow. Yeah, that's fine. That's the whole thing. Hold it. Like that way, bro? Or whatever way. Bring this arm up. Oh no, into the frame. Hold it. I'm gonna create a little hole. Where's your eye? There we go. Bring your hand aquí for the beat. Don't rip it though. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, try to stay entertained and do something different other than just staying on your phone on the couch all day if you're not working or you can't work. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time.